Welcome to Drawing Simplified. This is the second episode of Everyone Can Draw. In this episode, I'll show you how to draw a boxer dog. The first step is to draw 4 lines. The height and distance between the lines are critical. Next, you have to connect the lines together. Draw a small triangle at the back. Now carefully draw the legs. First, you draw the joints and then connect them together to form the structure of the leg. Now draw a straight line, marking the center of the head. Next, draw a coffin shape for the head. Next, you should block in the face. Draw the nose, mouth, eyes and ears. Next, draw a small tail. Congratulations! Now you have successfully completed the first phase in drawing a boxer dog. Let's start the second phase by softly erasing the template and loosely drawing the dog on top of it. Once you are satisfied with the outcome of your rough drawing, then we can move on to the next stage. You now gently erase your preliminary rough sketch and draw clean lines. That's it, guys. Now you know how to draw a boxer dog. The only thing left to do is to color. Thank you for your time. If you liked the video, please subscribe, enable the bell icon, and give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button.